Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this just wanted to show you this launch Creeder Professional. This is the let's have a look at the version, CRP123i V2 version 2. And we're just gonna take it out of the box. We're gonna unbox it, and we're also going to plug it into this car. This is a BMW e90. It's a 2006 model, so we can have a look at and see how it communicates with it. So this is a fairly oldish car now, and obviously a lot of these are also for newer cars, but let's see how it behaves with this older car. So this is how it comes. This is how it came. I purchased it just a few days ago and got it in the post yesterday. Here's all the manuals and things. It's supposed to do quite a few things, but it's basic in terms of you can check full codes and things, but I don't think it does programming and things like that. That's what it looks like. Professional diagnostic tool. I mean, I have another launch which is a little bit more sophisticated than this one. It does other things such as so let's open this cable. It does programming and other things, but if you own just one car, obviously maybe, and you just want to check full codes, you want to delete some full codes. Sometimes we do that for the purpose of diagnosing. We delete, if you get an engine light or something, we delete it, and then we check later if that engine light comes back, and see what fault code has generated that. Because sometimes a whole year goes past, you're driving your car, other faults or things can be generated, but things can also be generated as a result of just batteries, low battery in your car or things like that. So to have a proper diagnostic of what, say, an engine light may have cost, then you sort of need to delete the fault codes. All right, so it seems to be fully charged, and you saw it coming on. So I'm just gonna get the ignition on. We don't really need to start the car, but we do need to have the ignition on, usually when checking these things. Right, there is an on button here. It's 100% charged. Create change. So I'm just showing you without cutting in the video or anything, just the full function, how long it takes to switch on, to switch, read codes and whatnot. So it could take a little while, but I'm not sure. It might be quick as well, or because it's the first time it's been turned on, maybe have to set something up. I'm not sure. Okay, it says welcome, start. Okay, yeah, choose a language, English. You have Espanol, you have Spanish, French, Dutch, Italian, and then time zone. So let's choose a time zone. Europe, London. That's where I am. And then it's asking you to connect to an internet connection. This is something I may have to cut the video for, because saying that, I'm just gonna put the password if I remember. Okay, that is the wrong one. It's trying to connect to the internet. So so I guess it's one of those that gets updates from an online connection. It's connected. Right, let's go to the next step. And it says workshop information. We're just going to skip that for now. Please read the user agreement carefully when you're using this product. Do not operate this product during driving and whatnot. Yes, launch shall not be liable for any direct. Okay, we're in. It says he's reading the vehicle information. So it's found that it's a BMW. Although it did that automatically, I didn't really press anything. I thought I was gonna press the diagnostic button there and get in the VIN. Okay. Now it's automatically searching and getting us a report. Diagnosis report on vehicle. Right, so I have 13 issues here on the ECM, ABS, some issue on the ABS. It's saying, so you can see here it's red. Is that that's the engine control module, transmission module, ABS system, EPS, that's the electronic power steering, and the airbag system, SRS. So it has it pretty much checks all the systems. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick up that phone call. Okay, sorry about that. So let's check the faults that we have here. Combustion misfire still in the number 1. Misfire at low. So I have been having some issues with this car and misfiring. I have changed the injectors the other day, and it isn't misfiring at the moment. So now it's running actually quite nice, which is why I may and I disconnected the throttle body. I was just checking a lot of things the other day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to delete all the fault codes. I don't know why I have an ABS light here. Engine management in. Okay, so this is possibly related to something up here, because all these things are usually connected. Right, so let's see if we can now. I don't really want to share this. What I want to do is I want to delete these fault codes. So there might be a way here of, can I access this system? let's go back. Okay, so clear codes, okay. After this finishes, there may still be a warning light or fault code displayed until the vehicle has completed a road test. So I didn't really have any engine lights or anything in the car, but it has cleared everything, so that's brilliant. And now what I wanted to see is no, hang on, can we actually access the engine control module here? I just wonder if we can. Okay, so what's happened? Did it access it or not? Okay, this is the control module. So I just wanted to see if there is, so I'm just starting the car here, and what we want to see is the data stream. Motor operating values. Okay, so you can select up to 26 values here. If I select all, it's 26. It's selected 26 there. Press OK, and then you can see the live data. Oh, select maximum of 24, it says. So there are 26 here that you can monitor, but you can only select 24. So let's battery voltage we don't need, and I'll get rid of that. And here we have the live data. Engine oil temperature 51 degrees. Engine oil fill, its measurement is running because the engine has to be hot for that. Engine oil level, engine off. Okay, engine speed, it's 800 RPM. Oil pressure is giving us about 17 hectopascals there. Exhaust gas temperature, fuel pressure, high pressure. So it's actually quite and you can record it as well. You can record this data if you need to compare it, if you were to replace a part or something, and then you can compare the figures. So it's quite comprehensive. I didn't think it had all of this, to be fair, because I often, sometimes when I have to go to see a car, I need to take my other device, and it's quite large. This one is quite nice and compact, but it's not compact, but it is, I don't know, maybe about the size of my hand there, here, this size, and then maybe 3 of my 4 fingers there. So it's a good, nice, regular size, but you can see that is a nice little device here, and you can check other things. Oxygen sensor control, you have the mixture adaptation, oxygen sensor, basically select all. We can have a look at that. We have the values here, active signal, sensor 2 before catalytic converter, signal oxygen sensor before, that's sensor 2, that's I guess sensor 1, oxygen sensor behind catalytic converter, 0.4 volts. this shall fluctuate with the engine acceleration. Anyway, we're not really diagnosing anything. I'm just showing you how this little machine functions. And from here you can also read fault codes, no fault codes. This is for the transmission, for the ECM, engine control module. So that's brilliant, and you can have a report. You can, I guess, use these buttons here as well. I'm gonna end the diagnostic session, and we can get out of here. So you have diagnosis, you have, this is an automatic way of finding the car. Sometimes if you can't find, the machine can't find the car, you can go into this system here and find the car in a different way. There are upgrades for this machine. At the moment you have to download them via the internet, and so this is all that you have. It's not a lot, so you can reset also the service lights and things, brake reset, oil reset. So I'm guessing if you put oil reset, it will go in and search for the car that you have and do it. I don't know if it will do every single car, but it does connect to the BMW. This is the old E36, E90, and we could potentially, well, I'm pretty sure it works. It's pretty much the same as I go, and obviously you get the updates online. So a nice little device there for you guys to check out. Sorry, the video is a bit long, but these things take a little while when you are trying to show a few bits and bobs on the car. So there we are. If you select that OBD2, it will try to find the car via the OBD system. So then it searches the correct OBD that matches the car, basically, and it finds, that's how it's found the car. So because, like as I said, not all the cars can be found automatically by pressing that one. Anyway, hope you like the video. If you have any questions, do let me know and I will try to answer. But for now, hope to see you in the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.